Which word is correct? Yours with apostrophe or yours without apostrophe? Dear students, always keep it in your mind that yours with apostrophe is absolutely wrong, while yours without apostrophe is the correct formation. Yours is the second person possessive pronoun. Yours with apostrophe is an incorrect way of spelling yours. Dear students, the most important point is that never use an apostrophe with possessive pronouns. For example, ours is the possessive pronoun of we. If we use ours with apostrophe, it's incorrect, while ours without apostrophe is correct. Yours with apostrophe is incorrect and yours without apostrophe is correct. Hers is the possessive pronoun of she. The students never use an apostrophe with possessive pronoun hers. The correct form is hers without apostrophe. It's with apostrophe means it is or it has. While as possessive pronoun never use an apostrophe with its. The next word is theirs. If we use apostrophe with theirs, it's incorrect. Correct word is theirs without an apostrophe. Apostrophe is used to show possession of proper nouns. We can never use an apostrophe with possessive pronouns. Yours as second person possessive pronoun replaces your plus noun. Look at this sentence. This is your book. When we use yours in the sentence, it replaces both your and noun. This book is yours. Here, yours replaces your and book. Now we shall explain it with some more examples. He found a book. Is it yours? Here yours with apostrophe is used. That's why it's incorrect. Use yours without apostrophe. He found a book. Is it yours? Now it is correct. This house is hers. Here hers is used with an apostrophe. It is incorrect. To correct this sentence, remove apostrophe and use hers. Now it's correct. This suitcase is theirs. Theirs without apostrophe, not with apostrophe. Now it's correct. Yours sincerely. Using an apostrophe with yours is a common mistake while writing a letter. Most of the students make this mistake. They use apostrophe with yours, which is absolutely wrong. Yours with apostrophe is an incorrect formation. The correct formation is yours without an apostrophe. Look at the second sentence. Yours obediently. While writing an application, many students also make this mistake. Dear students, never use an apostrophe with yours. So the correct formation is yours obediently without an apostrophe.